Do you really need a signature on your resignation letter? Hi everyone, today let's talk about a very common situation sa workplace, resignation. Simple lang ba talaga yan? Kailangan ba ng pirma sa resignation letter para maging valid? At kung ayaw ng employer tanggapin ang resignation mo, may laban ka ba? Let's find out. Marami sa atin iniisip na kapag nag-resign ka, sulat ka lang ng letter, submit, tapos na. Pero paano kung hindi mo pinirmahan? Or worst, ayaw tanggapin ng boss mo? Can they stop you from leaving? Let's clear the confusion. Legally speaking, wala sa batas na nagsasabing kailangan ng pirma sa resignation letter. Pero sa real world, malaking bagay ang may pirma. It shows na ikaw mismo ang nagsulat at nagdesisyong mag-resign. Kung walang pirma, madali nilang sabihin na di mo talaga sinadya mag-resign. Or worst, peke ang letter. According to Article 300 ng Labor Code, pwede ka mag-resign kahit walang just cause. Basta may written notice at least 30 days before. So yes, kahit wala kang mabigat na rason, may karapatan kang umalis. Pero tandaan, written notice ang requirement, not necessarily signed. Still, mas safe na may pirma. Paano kung ayaw tanggapin ng employer ang resignation mo? Newsflash, hindi mo kailangan ng approval para mag-resign. As long as sinunod mo ang process like giving 30 days notice, hindi ka nila pwedeng pigilan. That could even violate your constitutional rights. Sabi ng Constitution, Article 3, Section 18, no involuntary servitude in any form shall exist. In simple words, hindi ka pwedeng piliting magtrabaho kung ayaw mo na. Pag pinilit ka, that's involuntary servitude at labag yan sa batas. Sa kasong Dosh versus NRIC, sabi ng Supreme Court, no one is compelled to work against his will. So kahit anong gawin ng employer mo, ayaw nilang tanggapin ang resignation mo, you have every right to walk away. Hindi ka nila pagmamay-ari. Now, para siguradong hindi ka ma-misinterpret, may paalala ang Supreme Court. Sa kasong San Miguel Properties versus Gukapan, sinabi na ang signed resignation letter ang best proof na talagang gusto mong umalis. So again, pirmahan mo yan, it protects you. To recap, hindi man required by law ang pirma, napaka-importante nito sa actual practice. You have the right to resign, you cannot be forced to stay kung ayaw mo na. At syempre, keep a signed and dated copy para may pruweba ka if ever may gulo. Resignation is your right, pero protect yourself. Pirmahan ng letter, i-file ng maayos, huwag hayaan na kontrolin ng employer ang decision mo. Walk away with confidence and documentations. Maraming salamat and know your rights. This is JM, and again, remember, I will always be your law companion.